Hey guys, this is Fundo on Manchupagama. Tonight on Imbewu, Tusheleni organized for her to see Macingwana to get to the bottom of it. While Mandisa takes Makosazana a hostage and reveals her identity as Menzi doctor, and he wants the truth on Makosazana that who killed her father. But Makosazana tries to hide the information, but Mandisa reveals a knife, and Makosazana reveals the truth. After the hearing Spongile concept about living with the Bengus, Sizakele point out the stark nature of the chooser before Spongile. And Spongile tells Sizakele that it seems like everyone on Bengu family is watching her, and she need the permission on the Bengu family to do something for her. While Nomsa is comfort his cousin and he wants to go with his cousin on the Sangoma. That is for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.